I have e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer on. I'm going to use these two setting powders. One size Rich Peach, About Face Partition. About Face will be on my right, which will be your left. And one size will be on my left, which will be your right. I just want to compare them and show you the difference. One size Rich Peach, I put it in here. I'm using a white puff. I'm going to put it on my left, which will be your right. I am using a lot so you can see what it really looks like. The only thing I have on is primer. This is the Rich Peach from one size. I have not dusted off yet. I just applied to my face and you can take a look and see. This is Rich Peach by one size. This side has no powder. Now on my right side, which will be your left, I'm going to put the About Face Partition. About Face. Before I dust off the excess, I just wanted to show you. This is About Face. And this is one size. Rich Peach one size, About Face Partition. I'm obsessed with the About Face. Now it's becoming my top. I am really obsessed with it. One size, $38. My left, your right. About Face, $21. My right, your left. Take a look and tell me what you think. This is Rich Peach. This is Partition. About Face, one size. Oh my God, when I tell you, they both are nice, but I am loving About Face. For the price point, if you're looking to buy this and you want to try a powder and you don't have a powder, $21, 38. But take a look. Love this. I just had to compare them. I had to compare them. Today's item is I am strong. I am strong. You are strong. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch my video. I appreciate you always. And until I see you and you see me, Just know that you are strong in many, many ways, and to appreciate how strong you are in whatever way you think you are. Bye. One size about face.